Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I'm just looking at the naked charts right now for PLTR. Currently just have one contract for PLTR that's going to be expiring in 2022, right? So I still got a lot of time on this. But I do think we're actually going, so, you know, PLTR did hit 19 bucks, exactly what I said. I mean, I told you guys for a while, I'm like, PLTR is going down, PLTR is going down. And then I got a bunch of PLTR fanboys spamming my YouTube and TikTok, basically telling me, like, you know, like, no, PLTR is not going to go back to $19 because it's impossible, some other shit, whatever. I don't care, right? Point is, it's down here, looking at naked charts. I think we're basically going up back to 21.78, 22-ish dollars. I mean, I think we're going back up to here, 21.78, this area. All we're doing is basically retesting this and then dropping back down. So I think that's exactly what's happening right now. You know, we closed today at 2068, right? We closed actually at 2021. After hours still kept moving up. Like I said, I do think we might have another day or two of green on PLTR, headed back to this 21.78 level. But as soon as we hit this 22 bucks, 21.78, I'm gonna buy puts on PLTR all over again, because I do think all we're doing is just retesting this, and then we're basically dumping all the way back down to like around $19 or so. And this is just me looking at naked charts. This is just me looking at like just literally on Robinhood and looking at what I think is gonna happen. I'll do a more solid TA after this video and after I finish working out. But as of right now, I do see PLTR going back up to this 21.78, maybe $22 level. But as soon as it goes up, retests, and doesn't pass resistance, I do think it's gonna go all the way back down to $19. Bye.